Yo, what's up to all my good lifers out there? What's good? I wanna wish y'all a happy new year, yeah, let's go. Gotta sign up for the good life. We gon' smoke a little up, yeah, do it right. You gotta join our team, let's all be good lifers. Toking all night, not being bad lifers. Living life to the fullest. We smoking with the homies, let's do this. Big pimpin', drinking, poppin', mollies. Got them ladies chillin', always legalize it, yeah, let's push it through. If you agree, you better sign up too. It's the medicine that we need, that we goodlifers.com, we believe. About to launch 2014, and if you didn't know, we love that green. Good luck and God bless. Sign up now, release your stress. We the best, yeah. Happy New Year again, good lifers. Be sure to sign up and join the Good Lifers today. You'll get a free ebook and updates for when our site launches soon on Valentine's Day. And be sure to check out the mobile app for your cell phone soon too. Good luck and God bless, good lifers. Peace.